Welcome back, folks. We have the 118 Stinger, my version of the Stinger. The body is made out of a Chap Mei. I'm sure you recognize it. There's a little modifications. There used to be two doors here with hatches. That's covered up and basically smoothed out. Also the engine, I cut that out and then I smoothed it out. I filled it in with the Apex 2 compound. It's like a pliable material that hardens. It gives you maybe about an hour, maybe 45 minutes. Updated bumper, headlights at work. Of course, it's got independent suspension. They're not straight axles, and the turret here opens up for access. It swivels. Added a little fording kit here that way it could go into water. The grill. Out back here we have the Stinger's iconic rockets. I made it so they could slide out. That way they're not always deployed. I always thought, them being out there exposed with no protection in case there's a rollover, that's dangerous for a Cobra. So what happened is that OSHA came around and said it was unsafe. And so we basically made them so they can be protected by the roll bar. Back here we have a pinto hook. I got this from a 3D printer person on eBay. I have a trailer that's hooked up. It hooks up to the pinto here, and then it can carry around the water moccasin. So the door's still open. To make some seatbelts for these guys because it gets a bumpy ride. The interior, I'm not sure if you could see the detail, but there's just some gauges, bucket seats. It's a 2-seater just to make room for the rocket pods in the back. The tires are from a 1980s Kyosho RC. Are a little bit harder to come by, but I'm always looking for them. So I got lucky. I got a pair, or a set, I should say. Yeah, let's give it a test drive. Everything's proportional and it is Harvey grade. It handles real well for its size. It's fairly fast, and its turning radius is pretty good. As is fairly low speeds right now, just so you can see the suspension. And I love these vehicles. Again, the base RC is a inline 120 scale or 122 scale RC. It's the ones that I showcase, that I've showcased before on my other videos. So if you're interested in those, just keep an eye out for the other videos, the how-to videos. They'll show you the base RC that I'm talking about. So right now this speed is probably about 20%, maybe 30%. Just because it's fun watching it roll over these. So I'm going to pick up the speed here a little bit. See if I can make a little jump here. Oh, nice little rollover. They're fun. They definitely, I do build them to take punishment. Sometimes I take it a little bit too far. And the only way I can figure out if I built them strong enough and for what they were built for, which is having fun, is by torturing it. As you can see, the battery, it's the mechanism for holding it. I need to work on that. That was a good jump. All right, folks. Yeah, the door latch, the battery holder or compartment, I have to still work on that. It's pretty tough. It's definitely fun. If you have any questions about this build, let me know. It's always going to be a work in progress until I built it and then I break it again. But that's why I build them, is to have fun with them and make them durable. All right, folks, have fun out there.